Good morning, everybody. Alan from TFT Trailers. This morning's kind of cool, actually. I actually have 3 pieces of inventory in stock. I'm not a big dealer. I don't carry a whole bunch, but I try and carry 3 to 5 units, but I've had a really hard time keeping them in stock. They're selling really fast. So today what I'm doing is the first one that we're looking here is what I call my 18-foot base unit. I don't know why I call it base, I just do. It's 18 foot, comes standard with the 2 toolboxes in the floor, comes standard with the 4 6,000-pound swivel D-rings in the floor, tandem axle, torsion axles, 4-wheel brakes, spare tire and wheel always. I don't understand having a trailer without a spare tire and wheel, especially if you're traveling with a load. It is kind of this is the 7,000-pound GVWR. It's going to give you about a 5,000-pound payload. So you've got the adjustable coupler, you've got the pipe mount fold-up jack. Like I say, once again, the toolbox is in the floor. This is all standard. There's your parking brake. This is a rollback. This is not a tilt. If you have any questions or would like to see a demonstration, I have videos on my YouTube page. This one here sells for $74.95 as equipped. And then this one right here is the same exact unit, but it is a 20 foot. I call it a base 20 foot. Once again, I don't know why, but I just call it a base 20 foot. Once again, toolboxes in the floor, 4 6,000-pound swivel D-rings, tandem torsion axles, 4-wheel brakes, spare tire and wheel mounted here on the front, adjustable coupler, pipe mount fold-up jack. Black in color is just kind of the standard color. We have some optional colors. They're just a little bit more money upcharged, but not bad. This unit right here, the way it sets is 82.25. So you've got $74.95 for the 18 foot, $82.25 for the 20. This unit right here, this is what I call my 20 foot deluxe. I take that base 20 foot. Naturally, it's got the spare tire and wheel in the front. I add the fiberglass wind fairing on the front. I upgrade the color to like a charcoal gray, which I think is a really cool color. We do the 4 in-floor lights, and naturally they're LED. Oh, and that's another thing. All the lights on my quick load rollback trailers are LED. We don't do anything incandescent anymore. This trailer also comes with the 2 toolboxes, but I order it winch ready, and then I do the toolboxes where they're deep toolboxes so that you can actually put a 24 series battery side post, put it right down in that box right there. It's already got the ground wires run, the hot wires run underneath. There's a charger underneath, so when you're plugged into your tow vehicle, it will charge that battery if your hot wires, hot on your truck. Winch ready comes with this receiver tube mounted. These are designed for the up to like a 8,000-pound winch that's mounted to a cradle that slides in and out of a receiver tube, which is actually pretty cool. If you put the winch connectors on your hot and your negative, you could actually disconnect this, slide it out, slide it into the back of your pickup. And if you've got the cables running on your pickup, plug right in, and you got a very mobile winch that you could use for many different things. Okay, this one right here, the way it's equipped is $97.45. It is a 7,000-pound GVWR also. Like I say, it's going to get you about a 5,000-pound payload. We order these in 10,000-pound, 12,000-pound, 14,000-pound rated. Some stuff changes on them. The toolboxes are not standard on the larger ones. The swivel D-rings are not standard, but they come with stay pockets and rub rail down both sides. Just have kind of some different features. But these are my 3 most popular units. And like I say, I've had a really hard time keeping them in stock, but for some reason, this Sunday, Labor Day weekend, I actually have 3 trailers. Thank you.